Alright guys, we're going to learn about some of the original events that took place at the first set of Olympics. So we're going to go into a little bit more detail than we did yesterday. Maybe this is going to work. There we go. Okay, so one of the first events was running. Okay, so running was the first event to be included in the Olympic Games. They ran up and down a 192-meter track in the stadium. Before the race, the competitors lined up along the stone starting block. If anyone tried to head start, they were disqualified and beaten for cheating. The toughest running race was called the flipgrid. In this event, runners competed wearing armor and carrying a shield. These could weigh up to 25 kilograms. Alright, another one that we still use today is the discus. In this event, athletes would compete to throw a stone or metal discus as far as they could. The discus is much larger and flatter than the ones we use today and probably weighed almost twice as much. So this is kind of like our softball throw. Alright, the next one is the javelin. Ancient javelins were sharpened wood sticks, sometimes with a metal point on the end. Athletes could make them fly further by winding a leather band around the javelin. This would unravel as the javelin was thrown, making it spin in the air. Alright, another one that we do today is called the long jump. So the long jump, the ancient long jump was very different from the one that we have today. There is no run-up, and jumpers would propel themselves by swinging weights called halters in their arms. The athletes would be accompanied by a man playing the flute. They would use the rhythm of the music to time their jump and to swing down the weights. That's very interesting. Alright, wrestling and boxing. So like today's games, the ancient Olympics included boxing and wrestling. However, they were a lot more violent. The toughest event was the pancration. This was wrestling match with hardly any rules. The only things the competitor couldn't do were bite or poke people in the eye. Some of the wrestlers were even killed. Boxing was tough too. Runners wore leather gloves, and a boxer was allowed to keep hitting his opponent even after he had knocked him to the ground. That just sounds brutal. And then the last one is horse racing. So there were horse races and chariot races in the ancient Olympic Games. These events took place on a racetrack called the hippodrome. There were no seats, so spectators watched from the sides of the surrounding hills. Interesting. Competitors raced around 12 laps of the track. The most dangerous places were the turning points at either end, because riders wanted to get the best line for the corner. However, the owners of the horses were considered winners, not the jockeys. So the horses could win the Olympics. Interesting. All right. So why are we reading this? Good question. So I want you guys to now get outside for a little bit today, and I want your parents to use Flipgrid to film you guys have 30 seconds doing one of these Olympic events with whatever you can find in your house. So I will post a video of me doing the same thing, and you guys have to respond to me doing one of these 6 events. All right, so good luck, guys, and I can't wait to see what you come up with.